Oh my God, I've arrived at my destination. Oh yeah. We are, of course, at Golen Engines, guys. How you doing, buddy? I was like, you know what? What's better than calling them at 4:30? I'll just show up at 4:30, you know? I've got some presents for you.
How was the drive?
It sucked.
Yeah.
Like, I must have went through 3 or 4 traffic jams.
Yeah.
Like, we're talking 5 miles an hour, and I'm like, this sucks so much. Like, and I was really thinking I wasn't gonna make it up here in time. I was thinking I would have to come in tomorrow, but it all worked out pretty well. So I'm happy about that.
Sweet. Yeah, that's good. So what do you got today for us?
Well, I got 2 blocks. Got LT4 and an LS3.
Let's see what year's LT4.
It's 2017. And there's a few things I'd like you to look at it real quick if you have some time before you get out of here. We can actually. Are you ready to unload then?
Yep.
All right. Let me go back it up and we'll get it out of here. Get my good old backup camera here and my new stereo system, a radio. Back her up, back her up, back her up. They're probably gonna monetize me on this music. Chad's back there like, I'll guide Jim, buddy. Like, I can see. I'm good. All right, listen.
You picked a nice day to drive down.
Yeah. Don't pay attention to the motorcycle, all right?
Look at that, huh?
That's just here for, you know, aesthetic purposes and Boston riding, basically. That block here, I think it's that block.
Yeah.
Yeah, that block there is the customer up here that I'm meeting up with to go ride around on the bike.
Oh, nice.
So I'm staying down in Milford, right? I got a hotel down in Milford, Boston area. I don't know, how far is that from here?
Milford, Mass?
Yeah, or no, I don't think it's like Milford, Boston. That's where is it? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna find out, I guess.
Yeah, you know, nothing's big around here. There's nothing that's like too far away around eastbound now. So
Yeah.
It's not that big of a deal. So,
Yeah, I figured I'd run this around Boston and get some good pictures of the bike with, you know, and like front of like cheers and stuff, you know. Be pretty cool. But I got a whole bunch of cool stuff for you.
This is a Z06 pattern?
Yeah, that's a Z06.
What do you do, break it?
Yeah, kind of, sort of, something like that. It only has like 6,000 miles on it. And it's kind of, you're going to see here in a minute. We numbered all the pistons for you.
Yeah.
Good old Mitchell man numbered everything. He numbered the caps, all that stuff.
Yep.
I think the crank's going to need a little bit of work too, and I want to show you why. 2 of the bearings in the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can... Yeah. Something happened.
It's okay.
Something happened, and I'm trying to figure out what happened. But it's a Procharged setup. It was making like about 1,000 horsepower, I guess, give or take, is what I was told. So I don't know if that might be the cause of it, or what's going on.
Yeah. Let's see. We'll have to take and start measuring everything.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, that one's going to take a little bit of work. No. One of the pistons is totally destroyed. Yeah, number 7 actually. Where's number 7? Right here. Oh yeah. There's good old number 7.
Yeah, that melted right out of that.
Yeah. Good old hot spots. Spark plug broke off and started bouncing around in there. He was having a party, you know, he was trying to do some cool stuff, so.
I got these blocks brand new too.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, brand new.
Oh, wow. Now, are they good blocks? Do they hold up to a lot of horsepower?
Yeah, I mean, you know, we've been kind of, me and a few other guys in the industry have been kind of like saying, all right, 1,000, 1,100 horsepower.
At the crank or at the wheels?
At the crank,
party foul.
11. Don't mind that. Yeah. And like, you know, probably 1,000, you know, wheel or something, you know, but I mean, it's really the same type of
Yeah,
box
it's just another 6.2 liter base, but it has squirters, so that makes it special.
Yeah, I guess so. You know, call it that way.
Yeah. What on the bottom of the caps there, how it's all like grooved? Let me see if I can. I don't know. Yeah, I can see it a little bit. What causes that?
I mean, really, a lot of times, you know,
Is it just horsepower?
Yeah,
or?
it's making a bunch of power. The crank just starts
wobbling,
jump around. You know,
okay.
So, and then that's what just cancels out oil clearance, so it starts to grab it. I mean, the crank's not white. You might just need a. That'll need a
I
grind.
think, yeah, maybe like a little polish or something.
Yeah, might be a little more than a polish.
Okay.
Catch those. We might have to just grind it, you know what I mean? But that's no big deal. What I would do here is ARP makes main stud.
Okay.
For this. Put a main stud kit in, that'll install more clamped down, so that way it keeps everything straighter and whatnot. We don't have and then we put a performance bearing into it.
Okay.
So Clevite, just do the H-series Clevite.
My
son, say hi.
That's what Austin bought.
Oh, you want to buy it? I'll sell it to you. It's all yours, buddy.
We'll take a look at it.
$10. You got $10? No?
Climb right up in there. He'll let you look at it.
Yeah, go ahead and climb up there if you can get up in that tall monster of a truck.
Just don't touch it.
You can I don't care. Start it up. Drive it out.
Cool,
what do you think of that thing?
Paint job.
It's actually a wrap. It's not paint.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's actually a wrap. Yeah. Yeah, everybody, it's funny because everybody thinks it's paint and it's not. It's actually just a wrap. All right, guys, the engines are dropped off here at Golen Engines. Good old Chad's going to take care of me, make things happen. The LT4 is going to come back better than ever.
Yep.
He's going to look up some options. We're going to give the customer some more options, see if he wants to upgrade or not upgrade. But like usual, guys, their information is always down in the description underneath my sponsors list. Go check them out. Give them a like, a follow, a subscribe. They also have a YouTube channel as well, so go check out some of their engine builds. And on to the next thing. We're at the hotel now. I'm at my Courtyard Marriott Hotel. So I figured I'd do a quick review on the stereo system that everybody's asking about that I got in the mail, and they wanted me to do a little review on it. And I'll tell you right now, this is the A6 Pro. I don't even know how to pronounce that. ATOTO, I don't even know how to actually pronounce that stereo system. But I'm still learning a lot about it, to be honest. So I can show you a few little features of it just to give you an idea. It is all Android compatible stuff, which is really, really cool. So like, we can go that way. So you have the radio stations, you can do all that stuff. You have Bluetooth. If you press down there, you have all your natural, your soft, dance, jazz, rock, flat, classical, country settings. It's pretty much, I mean, if you have an Android phone, you pretty much will know how to operate this thing. It's extremely easy, extremely simple to navigate. I've got my Wi-Fi little pad up there, my GPS pad right there. That does come with this stereo system, by the way, as well. Basically, you can go into here, you have all your applications, Google, GPS test, easy connection, front camera feature, which is really cool. You can actually hook up your front camera to this radio, press that button, and bam, you have a front camera view of what you're seeing up there. Just in case you don't have a view like I have on mine, for example, you can actually watch it through here. You did see earlier, obviously, that the rear view camera does work very well. You have to buy your own rear view camera. I already had one on the truck, so it worked out pretty good for me. Here's all my apps, my UScan, TPMS sensor, check engine lights, stuff like that. Here's one of the cool things that I like about this unit, and I have to get an OBD2 port for down here that's Bluetooth that'll work, but you can go into here, and this is so cool, guys. This is freaking cool. It's not going to show anything because it's not hooked up right now, but you can literally check all your parameters. You can check your codes through here. You can do real-time information. This is actually cool, real-time information, guys. So you can do speed, coolant, revs, acceleration. It's actually saying it's not connected. Boost, I can actually see my boost. I can see my throttle if that shows it on my vehicle. There's big gauges. I guess, I'm sure you can customize this possibly, because there's empty spots here, so I'm sure you can probably customize. Oh yeah, you can. So I think you can add display. Look at that. You can go into, oh wow, check that out. So you can add all these displays, which is really cool. It's so, this is actually a really neat setup, and this is my favorite part about this whole thing. Oh well, there is actually, let's get out of here. Quick torque. All right, there is one one thing here that I like more than the actual torque feature, or the check engine torque app on this thing. And I'm sure you can download this if you don't have it on yours. If you have one of these and you don't have this, I'm sure you can download it. It's just an application. The one cool thing that everybody's asking about on this setup is the hand gesture controls. And right here it is. You can actually disable, enable all of these. Now I've disabled a lot of them because every time I turned my steering wheel, it was going past the sensor and changing the station, or changing the song, or changing my equalizer setting, which I did not like. So the only ones I have set up right now, you can see, is the volume up, volume down, which I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. Now I was using my finger and it was working kind of good, as you can see. Turn it down. I mean, the finger works okay, but I found, this is one of the things I've discovered, is if you use the whole hand like this, it actually seems to go a little bit better and a little bit faster. because you're using the whole hand, which is pretty cool. So the finger or the hand will work. That sounds really weird, but both will work. So you can use both of them, you know, both your finger to turn the volume up. No, maybe not. Okay, there you go. Or your hand to turn it down and up, so on and so forth. Come on. It's weird because my handle's in the way right now. That's what's making it weird. See, if I put it down here like this, I can go like that, and it works perfect. See, the handle's not in my way anymore, see? But this is a really, really, I better get this song off here before they demonetize my video. But this is a very, very cool unit. I will have the link to this stereo system. I think it's the 32 gigabyte one. You also have volume up, volume down, home screen, all that stuff. Hard buttons. You actually have hard buttons as well as touchscreen, which is cool because if something fails, you can actually use your volume up, volume down button. But I will have the link to this stereo system or this radio in the first part of the description. So check that out if you want to know about that. I hope I answered everybody's questions. I will be doing little reviews here and there as I learn different traits of this radio, just things that I find out over time, because it is going to take me a little bit of time to learn everything. Like I just discovered that today, so you can actually lighten it and darken it, which is pretty cool. Like I said, guys, first link in the description, go check it out. Ready. Got an elevator here, second floor. Listen, guys, I would suggest when you see this video, don't come to this Courtyard Marriott in Milford, Austin, because I'm not going to be here because this video is going up Sunday night and I'll be home by then. So don't be creeping around this place. Right here. Oh, look at this. Oh, man, I always like coming into new rooms and looking at rooms and stuff, guys. This is nice. Look at this room. It's not a big room, but it's a nice room for one person. I don't need like a big giant screen. Oh my God, I can't open these freaking curtains. What the heck is going on here? Oh, look at that. Got a little view of the courtyard. There's a swimming pool. There's some people laying in there. Pretty awesome. Let's go check out. Here's the bed. That's where no magic's going to be happening tonight, or tomorrow night for that matter. Let's check out the bathroom. We always got to check out the bathroom amenities. So we have a microwave, which is pretty cool. We have a refrigerator, which is also pretty cool. Marriott, Courtyard Marriott, they do a good job. I like the stuff they do. And of course, where's the bathroom light at? Oh, right here. And of course, bathroom, nice clean towels. Everything looks clean. Yeah, very nice. Got a nice sink. Got Autel, freaking awesome there. Nice. I'm tired. I'm beat. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you did, in my Marriott, Courtyard Marriott freaking hotel room here, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys. I'm going on vacay.